Next, we are going to add materials to these objects. Jump into the rendered mode. We can hide the guidelines by turning off the plan layer. For doing that, we need to change the current layer to the other layer, such as the side layer. Now turn off the plan layer. So the guidelines are hidden, leave us a plain model. Come here to the material section. It should be here, but if you didn't see it, click here, the options, check materials. Click here to create a new material. Import from material library. Then Rhino default material library will be showed up. There is many different materials. We can use them to create our model. Let's start with the roof tile. Go to Architecture, Roof, Ceramic. Let's go with Ceramic Turquoise. Open. And now, the selected material is shown in the box. Go back to the Layer section. Click here. See the little nose, Tile Material. From the pop-up window, click on the arrow, select the Ceramic Turquoise. Click OK. Now, our roof has tiles. After that, we are going to add materials to the other objects by following the same steps. So go to Material section, add new material, import from library. This time, we are going to use the paint. So matte. Let's go with light green matte paint. Okay. Go back to the layer section, base material, and select the light green matte. Okay. We also want to use this material for the trims and the sashes. So start with this door sash. Select the light green. Okay. And the door trim. Okay. And the window trim. Light green. Okay. And the window sash. Light green, matte. Okay. Go to material section. Create new material. Import from material library. This time we are going to add materials for the exterior walls. So architecture, wall, siding. We are going to go with siding light. Go back to layer section. Exterior material. So select the siding light. Okay. Generally, the exterior walls have two sections with two different materials. So let's split the exterior walls. Jump back to the shaded mode. Change the current layer to the wall layer and turn off the side layer and the floor layer. Rotate the view. Zoom in a little bit. Holding Ctrl key and Shift key, select the surface at the bottom of the exterior walls. Now holding Alt key, click the blue arrow. Type 4 feet 8 inches. Enter. Now select here the surface. We create a copy of the bottom surface at here. Quit the selection. Type split in the command box. Enter. Select object to split, which is the exterior walls. Enter. Then select cutting objects, which is the surface we just created. Enter. Okay. Now the exterior walls are split into two sections. Add a sublayer in wall layer. Name it bottom. Change the color of the layer. Let's go with the darker purple. Select the second half of the exterior wall. Right-click the bottom layer. Change object layer. Then select the surface we created. This one. Right-click the plan layer. Change object layer. Now it's hidden. After that, turn on the side layer and the floor layer. Rotate the view. Come here. Jump back to the rendered mode. Let's add another material to the exterior walls. Go to the material section. Scroll down a little bit. Create new material. Import from the library. Architectural and the wall. And this time we are going to try a stone material. So let's go with stone wall natural. Open. Go back to the layer section. Bottom. Click here. Bottom material. So select stone wall natural. Okay. Now we have two materials on the exterior walls. For the interior walls, we can leave them as what they are for this assignment. Now let's work on the glasses. Go to material section. Scroll down a little bit. Create new material. This time we are going to use the cutter. Name it glass. Come here. Custom settings. So pick up a color from here. Let's go with turquoise. Change the transparency. Let's go with 43. Go back to the layer section. So window, glass, material. Find the glass. Okay. And door, glass, material. Find the glass. Okay. From here, we can see the inside of the house through the glasses. Next, adding material for the perch. Go to material section, create new material, import from the library. So go architectural, wall. We are going to use the concrete. So let's go with concrete light. Open. Go back to the layer section. Perch. Material. I'm here to find the concrete light. Okay. Then adding a material for the side with the same steps. So material section. Create new material. Import from the library. This time we are going to use the organic grass. So grass dark. Go back to the layer section. Side, material. Find the grass dark. Okay. So let's see what's left. For the indoor floor, we can leave it as what it is, like the interior walls. For the board of the door, we are going to use the same materials with the trim. So the trim, we are using light green matte paint. So click on the board, material, and come here, light green matte paint. Okay. For the knob, let's go to the material section. Create new material, import from the library. Metal, satin. Let's go with satin bronzing. Open. Go back to the layer section. Knob, material. So come here, satin bronzing. Okay,